Today's topic is Principle of the Education and the Teaching Learning Process. First one is the education. What is the meaning of the education? Right? So first, the term education is origin in the Latin words is educare, educatum, means educare and educatum. Means it is a Latin word, right? So education means what? Means depend upon your study on the basic on the particular field, right? Second point is the etymological. The word education is a derived from Latin words educato, where it means out of the duco and means I lead, means on the way. Lead means uh, whenever to one person to guide one another person, right? So, third point, according to the view, education means I lead out darkness into the brightness. Means whenever two person to study properly, whenever to particular subject or particular field, they time to educate it properly in the particular field, and in the darkness to into the brightness, because of the he or she is very well what is the problem occurred in the study, and what is the solution, and what is the reason behind what, right? And then there are so many reasons occur, there are so many queries in the education, but whenever to study properly, that time to solution uh, get very nicely uh, get very nicely to the solution. Next, move to the slide. Definition. Definition of the education. Education means the training for the country and the law for the nation. Right? Education means the trainer, particularly field training, like a nursing field training, right? In 4 years, to all subject including the nursing, like the anatomy, psychology, CET, and all to particular subject to proper education given. So also to the in the nation means any care like a nursing care provide all type of the hospitals and the like a nursing tutors and the lecturer also, right? So that time to provide another person, another students and another people to proper give a care like a patients, students, and the speciality of the particularly subjects like a MSc staff, BSc staff, right? And the field of the three kind of like a GNM, ANM, BSc, and particularly subject to improve to the particularly subject. The second one, education is the realization of the self. So whenever to the education given, so better than to self also to motivate and another person to the particularly subject or having some problem to clear the ideas. Third one, education is on around drawing out of the best in the child and man, body, mind, and the spirit. Whenever an educated person, if we having some problem, that time too will occur like a motivate to yourself and also to control your mind, right? And whenever in the last decision of the life, you are some having a more hard working in life, and then demotivate that time to uh, some depression occur, so that time to improve yourself and also to motivate in your life. And the fourth one is the education is the natural, harmonious, progressive development of the man innate initiate power. Education means the natural, right? All the people having education, but depend on the particular field. Your general knowledge also. Homogeneous means making not your progress. Like like a particular teacher is giving a notes. They're speaking someone, say a lecture that time to making notes or a specific specific point to write down on the notes, right? So that time to do reminder on your exam and the particular things, your specific topic, right? So progressive development of the main initiative, whenever to write down on the notes, that time to memory in your mind, right? and that whenever the exam coming, that time to like sometimes to revise that your notes. So your willpower is a very good, right? And the initiate power means what? Means the bond power. Means uh, there are so many people have a different ideas, ideas, and also to like a communication power, right? Is the initiate power means the bond power. Okay. Next, move to the definition of the nursing. The nursing is a professional education which continuously systematically plan and implant, right? So nursing education means what? Is a professional system and is a which is a continuously systematic. It is the well planned, implanted and instruction given to the patient and also to the discipline, right? So next, systematically planned and implanted through the instruction and the discipline and aims harmonious development of the physical, intellectual, emotional, spiritual, aesthetic power or abilities of the students into order and a professional nursing care. Right? So, first, planning, in planning, instruction given to the patient, discipline, and the aims of the patients means what? Particularly care given to the patient, particularly to rights of the patient, and the development of the disease condition of the patient. Means if having some problem, that time to solution occur. And there are four things is the most important in the nursing care: physical, intellectual, social, emotional, and spiritually. If ever physically patient have a ill, that time to give a basic care, medication. Intellectual means what? Intellectual means relating to the intelligence. Means to psychological test, repeat sentences. If have some problem in the physically, that time to also affect the mind. So that time to give a psychological support. And social, whenever to the social like a nurses, matrons and the doctors how to behavior, you also to learn like a patients, right? And the emotional, a patient having a there are so many problems occur that time to the like a rudely behavior, but as a nurse staff or as a nursing tutor, you understand well. And the spiritual, right? Spiritual and the aesthetic power. Aesthetic means what? Means the concern with the beauty, right? Whenever having some problem in the body, that time to like a natural glow is gone out, right? So whenever to do like to some specific connect to the people and also to improve your health, to take a more diet like a khichdi and the healthy food to take it, right? Or abilities of the students in the order and a professional nursing care. So there are so many things occur in the life. Inability to concern to order to the professional nursing care. And there are so many included in the plan is a professional nursing care. Education means what? Is all the things learning and after they apply to the patient. People of the all ages in the phases of the health and the illness in variety of setting in case the best of the highest possible manner. Like if have any problem in the age wise the people, that time to give a best health care provide, and the illness time to give a good communication with the patient, right? If have a best option for your good communication. And next move to the aims of the education. So first one is the individually. So as a nurse staff, yeah, as a tutor, first with the giver, first with the giver good education provide, and second one is the social link. Second one is the social link, means the how to communication with the one person to the another person, and third one is the spiritual link, right? So spiritual link means the communication is a good to one person and how to behavior. And fourth one is a vocational, means a business related, means how to communication to the one person to another person, how to talk or how to particularly topic to like a discussion, right? And fifth one is a culture, means a different state is state state wise the different cultures cultures like a theme part, like a clothes, like South Indians food, clothing style, and all the like a rules regulation is a different. In your Gujarat, some different kind of like a Gujarati dish, uh, Gujarati food like a khaman and tukda, and in the uh, like a different type of the South Indian food, like a idli dosa and all, right? So is a different kind of the cultures, rules, regulations. And the fifth, sixth one is the moral lamp. Means moral lamp is a what the definition behind what, right? And the inactual. Inactual means what? Inactual means the relating to the intensity, like intelligent power. And the last one is the aim given by a different communications. Okay, I explain in the detail. Aims of the education in the first one is the individual development as an individual of the human being, right? So individual is the first to like a observing the person. Developing is an individual in the human being. Second one is the moral and the spiritual development. And moral and spiritual development means what? If have any query or some like a particular topic, that time to basic what is the moral of the story, right? So that time to this is the development occur. And third one is the cultural development. It's the same like thing, like a Gujarat and the South Indian, right? There are a rules, regulation, and the story is like a same, but a different culture and development in the same way. And the fourth one is the harmonious development. Harmonious development means what? Means a making into the notes development, right? Like a making notes to improve your memory power also, and the particularly like a words to catch up in your mind. And the fifth one is a promote positive physically development, right? Means the physically development is also improvement, like improve to the knowledge and attempt to show off your physical appearance, like a good fitness, right? And good looking, and what is whenever to go outside that time to what you wear, right? Like your clothing style to show off your eye contact, right? Your response is all included in the physical development. And the sixth one is the development of the right personality. I already told that your physical development, right? Your eye contact, your personality. Someone like say your personality is really nice because what? You are looking beautiful, your eye contact is good, your response is good, right? And next to the development of the good citizenship, right? Your nation and good citizenship kind what you work to do, like some like education provide like seminars and all, or 15 August to give like a best gift provide to the nation, right? And the development of the good leadership means whenever to the good things occur, like your nature is good, communication good, and the all peoples to participate, you're someone as like a to a like a good things to learn by others, right? And next to the emotion and the mental development, whenever to understanding one person to another person to feelings to understand, it is the best way, right? So also to improve yourself and other also. And the last one is the character building, means to also judge your character and other people's. Next, aim of the education and the social aim. So, through education, the individual child should be provided with the required assistance to become a useful member of the society, irrespective of the socio-economical status. whenever into stay in your society, your neighbors, your social society members, that time to good behavior, good communication, and to useful, like if have any help needed, that time to give a base care provide. Okay, this is a social aim. Or not to the partiality to another people, like a poor or the rich people. Okay. Next, vocational aim. Education should be prepare the child to earn his livelihood so that he can be lead to a productive life in the society. Whenever to do good get education, that time to like a will a good willpower, right? And good job get. And the earning the money, and after then the spend your like a child education, given better lifestyle and all. And last one is the intellectual link. Development of the intelligence through education will enable to the child to lead in independent life with the confidence, right? Intellectual means what? Your intelligent power to assess. Like someone as what is your name, right? And your feedback. See, my name is an address to say your psychological taste, right? Your response check. And after the repeated sentences, what is the intellectual power? What is the intelligent power, right? Is also to learn like a psychological, means psychology subject, all included in the psychological test. So intellectual aim means what? Means better education to given like a your memory power, your confidence. Next, cultural aim. Culture aim by undergoing education, child become a cultural and the civilized, right? Depend on culture, like your food, your clothing style, your rules and regulation. And I already told that, right? So depend on the your state level, your or the nation, right? In USA and India, is the culture are very different, right? Like all rules, regulations, and all citizenships rules, regulation, and all. Cultural development is through development of the aesthetic sense and the respect for others people, right? Aesthetic means what? Means nature of the beauty. Like in USA country, there are so many natural things have because what? Because is a follow rules regulation and also to clean and neat. And whenever to break the rules, what can do? There are the big punishment to give if have any citizenship, right? This is a culture, and the Indian culture there are so many different, right? So next move to the moral them. Moral values like honesty, duality, tolerance, justice, self-control, and the sincerity promote to the social efficiency for the individuals. Right? Uh, Whenever to any story given like the rabbit and the turtle, that time to give a good to moral support. What means honesty is a trustful man, and also to give a best moral support. Right? And the last one is the citizenship. Education enables children to grow productive citizens by following the social and the moral standards set by a society. Means the society rules regulation follow. Social activities like social medias, like in your family marriage and functions, all the like types of communications or some like a good communication with one person to another person, how to behave it, and how to education provide to the like a better group, right? So that time to give a good citizenship in your society. Next, move to the physical health and the well-being. So I move to the next topic. Next slide. Thank you.